This lemon ricotta pasta with fresh peas has a creamy, fresh sauce that's gonna blow your mind. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Hi, I'm Laura from Dinner and Aside. Welcome back to our 7-part pasta series. Today I'm switching up gears and going a little bit lighter with a lemon ricotta pasta with fresh peas. After you finish watching this video, don't forget to watch the rest in the series and find the perfect pasta for you. Okay, the water is boiling for the pasta. Don't forget to salt it. And I am using this wonderful shaped pasta called celentani. It's one of my favorites. I'm gonna cook it in salted water until just shy of al dente. Okay, and that's gonna take about 10 minutes. So meanwhile, I'm going to toast the pine nuts. Put them in the same pan that you're gonna use later for the pasta. You wanna make sure you keep your eye on it because it can burn pretty quickly. Okay, the pasta is done, so I'm gonna reserve half of a cup of the pasta water, then drain the rest and put the pasta into the pan. Drizzle it with a little high-quality olive oil. Now we're gonna blend up the sauce. You can use a food processor, or I use my Ninja mini chopper. Add the garlic, parsley, oregano, and thyme, and blend that until it's mostly smooth. Then add the peas, the ricotta, lemon juice, zest, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Blend it again, but stop just short of smooth. It's best with a little bit of chunkiness. Turn the heat on to medium and pour the ricotta mixture and half the pasta water into the pan with the pasta. Stir it all up. If you need more water to smooth it out, just add a bit. Now add the remaining peas, Parmesan, and red pepper flakes to the pan. Get it all nice and creamy. Now let's serve it up. Top it with toasted pine nuts and a little bit more olive oil. Doesn't that look amazing? We hope you enjoyed our 7-part pasta series as much as we did. If you missed any, there are links to each video in the description.